So we are halfway up to Cornet Creek and decided out of the blue that we've seen a little waterfall. It seems very close to shore. It looks like there's a clear, distinct path to get up to these little waterfalls, and it gives us the chance to try this mini well water filtration kit that I purchased, and we're gonna try it right now. I've never actually used it. I have 3 empty water bottles. Do you have any? Just yours? Yes, we got 4. So we're gonna go up there and get some water. We'll be able to try this out at the same time. What do you think? Is it worth the hike up here? Maybe we should show them the waterfalls?
Probably.
Nobody wants to see waterfalls. They got a gorgeous view of a lake back there. Greedy viewers. You guys can probably hear it by now. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-tier waterfall. You got the mini well kit. You got your filter in here. You got your hose. And it's got a little clamp to stop it, the water, once the bag's full. There's instructions that I've never used, but they're already soaked. So maybe you read the instructions before, but it's pretty straightforward. There's a bag to put the water in. So this one threads in, right? So you have to look at the water flow. So that we're gonna fill up this bag, and we'll do them one bag at a time. And then you just put the hose in here. And then this is the bag you want to fill with water. And then you plop it in the hose. But before that, we're gonna set up. I wanna have a way to hang it up. Kind of have to improvise. So you don't put this on first. You put this on first. You slide this in. That, and then you can clamp the water hose down. So then when you do fill this with water, there you go. Then you let it fill up. Then you clamp it down here. And then you take it out, you pour it out, and then we'll stay here. We'll do this a couple times and we'll fill up all the water bottles and we'll be on our way.